guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lucinda if you don't know me. Now today I was meant to be joined by my business partner and partner in crime, Lynn, also known as Rob's mum, who is my better half, but we had a lot of outtakes, so we're going to be inserting some, and Rob is her replacement today, so I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, so I'm Rob, as some of you may already know, and in today's video we are going to be revealing the Skinny Scrubs Halloween collection.
Enough of the introductions, let's get right in and show you the products you are all dying to see.
First up we have our two lip scrubs. Our two lip scrubs? Not really our two lip scrubs. First up we have your two lip scrubs. We have bubblegum and we have candy floss, and I had to check the name because these aren't my products. From what I understand, there's been a lot of requests for both of these flavours. So here at Skinny Scrubs, we are so happy to bring them both to you.
So we really hope you love these as much as we do and that they remind you of the iconic flavours that they are.
I can do this thing.
Okay, so our Candy Floss Lip Scrub is a mix of pinks, purples and blues, all those gorgeous pastel colours. What are you doing? All those gorgeous pastel colours you see when you go to a fun fair and you see those bags of candy floss hanging there.
Bubblegum is a mix of really vibrant, bright colours, and it smells pretty much just like bubblegum.
That's what we do here. So our lip scrubs will retail at £5 each as normal, or you can get the duo for just £8.50. So next up we have our Once Upon a Time body scrub, and personally I'm so excited for this product. We're really happy with how this turned out and just the look of it, the layers of the pink, purple and white, and then this one also comes with pink glitter on the top, which is an added bonus because who doesn't love glitter? So it's everything you need to start a fairy tale like pamper session. And this is scented with strawberries, caramel and chocolate, everything that is good in the world. It's just absolutely dreamy and it's definitely my new favourite, and I think it will be yours too. This again will retail at £8 as normal.
Every story needs a happy ending. Sounds a bit dodgy. Every story needs a happy ending, but to go with the Once Upon a Time body scrub, we have the Happily Ever After body butter. This is a perfect match for the body scrub, scented with both strawberry and geranium. Surprised that I know that.
I know, so am I. Points.
I'm not saying you'll feel like a princess, you can do that bit. I want to feel like a prince.
As always, our body butter is formulated with nourishing... Yeah.
Come on, Lucy!
I missed that deeply, but...
Formulated with deeply nourishing butters and oils, you will be left feeling like a princess, or a prince in my case. This body butter will retail at £10.
Or you can get the body butter and body scrub duo for £15.
That's it, I'm not doing it.
Get back in. Probably can't put your name
Go on.
in. But finally, we have the product that I am personally most excited for. It's our brand new face mask and it is called That's a Killer Mask. And the best part about this is that it is chocolate. We chose this because, well, who doesn't love chocolate?
Cocoa powder, seeing as Lucy can't say this word, cocoa powder is a powerful antioxidant and can fight free radicals.
Very well done.
Thank you. I read it myself.
It will also plump skin cells and fight premature
Winkles? Fight premature winkies?
It will also plump skin cells and fight premature wrinkles. When you use this face mask, we recommend that you spoon a separate bit into a bowl and add your desired amount of water for easier application to the skin, and leave off for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Our That's a Killer mask will also retail for just £6.
So that's all the products in our, I feel really weird saying in our Halloween range. The full collection will retail for £25 and will be available from 6 PM EST, GMT. And will be available at 6 PM GMT tomorrow. So I'm not really very much a big part of this, but I hope that you do love the collection as much as both Lucy and my mum do.
For our first Halloween collection, we went with all things that you consider a treat on Halloween: chocolate, candy floss, strawberries, caramel, and we do really hope you love it, and we are so excited for this, and we just thank you for your constant support. But before we go, we are pleased to say that the winner of our large mystery bag is Chloe Dunford. So congratulations, please contact us through our Instagram, which will be linked down below.
So that's all for today. Thank you so much for bearing with us, particularly with me in this video. This was a real last minute kind of switch up because my mum couldn't learn her lines. She didn't know what she was doing. She kept reading, she kept looking down. Whew, sack that woman off. But anyway, I really do hope that you've enjoyed the Halloween reveal.
Before we go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you really do enjoy seeing our videos, turn on the notification bell so you will know when we upload. And also follow us on Instagram, which will be linked down below. And we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.